Hey Money Movers, welcome back to Millennial Money Moves with Nadia. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Today, I'm going to be talking about Elon Musk and how he is trying to buy Twitter. The whole thing is just very interesting. I don't know if you guys have been following along, but I thought that I would make a quick video and come on here and talk about that.
So Nadia, what's up?
We making money moves.
Who making money moves?
We making money moves.
You making money moves?
We making money moves.
We making money moves.
We making money.
Welcome back, you guys. Like I said, I want to talk about Elon Musk trying to buy Twitter. So he offered to buy Twitter for $54.20 a share, which would mean he wanted to buy the company at $41 billion, and Twitter did not like that. You know, it was a 38% premium of their closing share price the day before he revealed that he already had a large ownership stake in Twitter. He definitely did a very delayed disclosure of that information, which people were not happy about. And he wants this to be the shareholders' decision, but I don't know if that's such a good idea. I think that is a good idea, that the other majority shareholders should have some say in if Elon buys all of Twitter. However, I don't know that the shareholders want this to happen any more than the people who are in charge of deciding if they will accept his offer or not. Now, after this happened, Twitter put some plans into place to make it a lot harder for him to acquire all of Twitter. They are implementing a shareholders' rights plan right now, which is called a poison pill. Now, I wanted to talk about this because I think understanding a poison pill is important when it comes to investing, and I'm sure that you will hear this term pop up again. A poison pill is when you want to make a company more expensive, and in this case, it was definitely directed towards Elon to make buying Twitter just too expensive to buy without the board's approval. So they're trying to slow down the process, if not block him from buying it. So let me explain what the poison pill would look like if it played out. So if Elon, again, or anyone, but this is definitely directed towards Elon because that's what kind of triggered this move, expands to 15% in the company, other shareholders will be allowed to buy one additional share for each share that they own at a discounted rate. Now, I know that might sound confusing, so let me explain it in dollar amounts. So that means while everybody else would be able to buy the stock for $210, Elon would have to pay $420. Now, Elon says he has a plan B and will rethink his position in the amount of shares if they deny his offer. He literally wrote that in his offer. So I'm, not surprised, since the point of this poison pill is to protect stockholders from coercive or unfair takeover tactics. Now, he might try to negotiate with Twitter's board and show them his financial plans and what he wants to do for the company. That very well could be his plan B. But I don't know. I don't know that Elon would do that. He's a really unpredictable guy, and I just think the whole thing is kind of funny. Elon definitely does whatever it is that he wants to do. He has a lot of money, but this time we're definitely seeing some pushback. And I think it's so ironic that he's talking about a lot of this and kind of trashing Twitter on Twitter. Like, it's just so ironic that he's using that platform in order to do this. Now, this video isn't me recommending buying Twitter or selling Twitter. I'm just kind of catching everyone up to date. With what's been going on with the company, because I think this is something that's really important to understand, and for anything, just understanding what a poison pill is. Now, I will be keeping a close eye on Twitter stock because I think it's going to start to move around a lot. I would not be surprised if we started to see lots of movement with Twitter. And I think if you're looking to maybe get in and out on a play at this one as it's moving, I would say be careful, because you just never know what Elon is going to do next. As much as I love Tesla stock, Elon can be a little unpredictable, and you never know what he's going to do next. There are people who support him in everything he does. For me, it depends on what he's doing. And this is interesting. I didn't necessarily see it coming, and I'm very curious what the real reason is that he wants to do this. Why does he want to buy all of Twitter? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Should he buy it? Should he leave it alone? Do you think he just wants Twitter and it's really about free speech like he's been saying it is? Or do you think there's another reason and he probably, foresaw that they were going to deny his first first offered to buy it, because I didn't think they were going to accept it with that number, because it was lower than Twitter's all-time high. And so, he would really have to do something to prove that he has a great plan for the company, which is why I think, he could offer them a financial plan and all the goals he has to grow Twitter and make it run a lot better. But he said a lot of negative things about Twitter and the way that it's run, even on Twitter, which just the irony will get me every time. But yeah, this whole thing is just really interesting. I knew I was starting to really, really enjoy stocks the way I've been following this like it's a TV show and I'm waiting for the new episode to come out. But I also wanted to talk about the market right now and what we're seeing and how to invest if a recession is on the way. I'm still making plays for the long term overall, which is why with Twitter right now I'm just watching it. I don't really know if it's going to be ideal to get in and out on that one, because also, when you get in and out on stuff, you're going to have to pay a lot of taxes. So it just really depends on everything that happens. I will be doing another video soon on whether I think Twitter is a buy or not, and just give an update on what's happening in the market. I think we're going to see a lot of movement in the stock, like I said before, and I'm just curious what his real reasons are for making this move. But I will keep you guys posted with what's going on. If you don't already follow me on my socials, I talk about different things happening in the market and what I'm buying. And I will be doing some more videos this week, so you can look forward to that. I'm going to be talking about other stocks that I am buying. This is just something that I'm watching and keeping an eye on. And I feel like when you're starting to invest, it's very important to understand the terms and how things work and keeping up with current events. And I feel like with Elon Musk happening, with Elon Musk trying to buy Twitter right now, that's something that is very important to be updated on. So I just wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. But that's all I have for today. Again, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. And remember, you're making money moves. Have a good one. Bye. I wanted to take a second to talk about MooMoo, because like I said, right now, if you're not investing, it's a great time to get started, because if you don't have any positions, right now the prices are so low. And MooMoo is a trading platform that I've started using too. And MooMoo is a trading platform that I've started to use as well. And right now they're offering this great promotion where if you invest just $1, you can get 3 free stocks, and one of those includes NIO. And if you guys have been watching my channel, you know that I talk about NIO, and it's a company that I do like, especially for the long term. And if you're scared to take a risk, you're investing $1 and getting 3 free stocks, one of them being NIO, which I've already been talking about, and that offer is exclusive to MooMoo, so I think that's a really cool opportunity. And MooMoo is a commission-free trading app that uses powerful tools and data to give users the best investment opportunities. If you guys also watch StockMo, you've probably heard him talk about MooMoo as well. I think it's a great trading platform, especially because it is commission-free, and this promotion right now is really good. So the link to MooMoo is going to be in the description box below. If you guys go ahead and check that out, that'll definitely help you get started, or it'll help you continue your journey. Even if you're already using another brokerage account, that doesn't mean you can't have one with MooMoo. I have multiple brokerage accounts, and MooMoo is one of them. So I just wanted to let you guys know about some of the moves that I have been making lately. That is one of them, so I really hope it helps you guys. All right, now I'm officially done with this video, and I hope you guys have a good day. I will be back very soon to talk about some more money moves. All right, bye.